guys. This morning's devotional for January 17th, 2022. Managing your anxiety. Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. 1 John chapter 4 verse 18. There is no fear in love, but perfect love casts out fear. For fear has to do with punishment, and whoever fears has not been perfected in love. Philippians chapter 4 verses 6 and 7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God, and the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Psalms chapter 16 verse 8. I have set the Lord always before me, because he is my right hand, and I shall not be moved. Proverbs chapter 12 verse 25. Anxiety weighs down the heart, but a kind word cheers it up. 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7. Cast all your anxiety on him, because he cares for you. Matthew chapter 6 verse 34. Therefore, do not be anxious about tomorrow, for tomorrow will be anxious for itself. Significant, for the day is its own trouble. And at the bottom it says, do you know the feeling of anxiety, fear, and worry? These feelings are very common among women and men, and often lead to feelings of guilt. Some people say that when God's people are anxious, they are of little faith, a statement that makes a person even more anxious. In Jesus' great crisis, he was not without anxiety, and in the Garden of Gethsemane, his sweat became like drops of blood, and the next day on the cross he experienced increased anxiety as his Father left him. But Jesus overcame his fear through love. May perfect love also conquer your fears. I like that one this morning. I like them all, but some touches more at home than others, and this is one. I hope you all are getting something out of these this morning. I really enjoy them. And check out some of my other videos. Like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. That's the only way YouTube shares these, and or YouTube will suggest these to people, is if you like it or dislike it, and if you share it. So share the videos if you like them. Join us on the Disciple server. And I love you guys, and I hope you all are surviving this snowstorm easy. My husband says that it makes sense. A bad snowstorm would be named Izzy, because we have a granddaughter named Isabella, and she's quite the handful, and we call her Izzy for short. So, but he said it's quite appropriate name for a bad snowstorm. But I love you guys, and if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye guys.